offline maps in Google Map. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to when you want to download your offline maps in the Google Maps, so what you have to do is the you have to click on the your profile picture in the top right corner. When you click on your profile picture, you come to this page, and here you can see the offline maps. You have to click on the offline maps. When you click on the offline maps, you come to this page, and here you can see there is option of select your own map. So you can select your own map. So what you have to do is you have to select your own map, and you can also select your map according to the size. You can also select your map into the smaller size. You can also select, you can adjust the map as you want. And if you want to adjust the map here, you can also select the large you can also adjust the map as this adjust arrow to the large area, but you can also adjust this to the a smaller area. As you can see you can and here you can see when you adjust this app to the a smaller area, then it will here you can see in the bottom of the page, download will use up to 15 MB of your free space. And if you want to uh, mm, if you zoom out and go to the bigger area, then you can see the download will use up to 230 MB of your free space. So that if you want to download the large area that you want to, so that you are here in this location, so that you can download the location. But I don't want to use the large memory. So let's see I zoom in and then select this location, zoom in this location, and then you can zoom in the location that you want, and then you can also choose the a large area that you want to download. And then after choosing your area, after selecting your area, you can click on the download. You have to click on the download, and then you have to click on the download now. And then here you can see it is downloading. And then here you can see the downloading is 45%, 66% is in progress. Downloading is in progress. You can see it in the bottom of the my page. Here you can see, you can also you can also cancel it by clicking on this. And here you can see it will also say that it will expires on 29th May in 2022. So it will only available for the 1 years, and after 1 years you have to also download the apps, also download the maps, also download the offline maps. So you have to come to this page, and you can see the my tutorial, and then after 1 years you can also download the offline maps. So that's what you need to do to download offline maps in Google Map. So that's it, and it will your location will show up if you don't have it will also show up if you don't have the Wi-Fi or internet connection. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.